General to speak in reply.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. If I may first reply to the issue of delay. Yes, the issue of delay in the court system is systematic, it's chronic, because it's based on the resources, it's based on the systems and processes. As for Western side, there is a new court in Namba which will be opened this year, and there, of course, Honorable Nyuntamu is fully aware there will be a high court sitting in Ba for the first time. So that will be addressed in terms of the issue of delay. The Honorable Chief Justice is putting in place processes into improving the disposition of matters. Mr. Speaker, if I may address this, this is the first time ever for a Chief Justice in his acting capacity has actually personally audited the files of all judicial officers in this nation. So he is fully aware how Justice A has how many pending matters, the length of those matters, and some of these, their process has been put in place. Some of them have been directed to finish those pending matters. Yes, we all know at the summit it was clearly outlined that you can only have confidence in the judicial system if there is a rule of law, if people can see that the matters are concluded. So government is trying its best. And of course, you've seen there's a new Justice of Court of Appeal and Supreme Court judges who have been sworn in, and there will be more. But what I can tell you is this government, this side of the House, have localized the Majority. That's the achievement we have made. Because I firmly believe, and we also believe, that we cannot allow to pay exorbitant salaries to people who are not resident when our very own, we have oversupply of lawyers and experienced lawyers. That is a fact. If you ask about poverty, that is one simple reason. And I can tell you, I really don't want to divert the detail, but it is so unfair. I say this because I'm one who was affected. We found out the local judges, magistrates, terms and conditions of employment is not as same as those who are from overseas. Yes, data, Mr. Speaker, sir. Specialized court is only warranted just if there is data. It's simple. There is no data to justify a special court. Mr. Bosorongo has outlined clearly the issue of people traveling from one end of the town to the other. I actually had a personal experience. First, I was told I have a client in Nandi to be produced in Lautoka. As I was getting ready to produce in Nandi, as I was getting ready, I was told, you have to go to Lautoka. And then in 10 minutes' time, I was told, go to Mba. And I had to rush from Nandi to Mba. And I have to go and wait for the 5 CAC officers to arrive, about 2 vehicles. And it did not last than 5 minutes for the matter. So these are practical problems. And mind you, my colleagues from the other side, there has been a consultation within the judiciary, support from the judges, and also from the Chief Justice. Mr. Speaker, sir, I commend the bill before this House.
Thank you, Honorable Attorney General. Honorable members, Parliament will now vote. And the question is, pursuant to the resolution of Parliament on Monday, the 11th of September 2023, that the High Court Amendment Bill 2023 be debated upon and voted upon and be passed. Does any member oppose the motion? Yes. There being opposition, the Parliament will now vote. Open the vote. Close the vote.
The results of the vote are as follows. 29 ayes, 24 noes, and 2 have not voted.